Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutor DIY. Today I will show you two simple ways to thicken watery liquid soap using ingredients you probably already have. Here is my liquid soap. As you can see, it's very watery. It's just pour like ordinary water, no sliminess at all. Even though it's watery, it foams very well. I divide the soap into two equal parts so we can test two thickening methods. For the first method, I dissolved 40 grams of kitchen salt in 80 milliliters of water. I make sure to dissolve it completely because if you pour undissolved salt directly into the soap, it could cause problem. As I pour the salt solution while stirring, you can see the soap is already thickening nicely. Now it's slimy and much thicker compared to before. I dissolved any leftover salt with water and pour it in carefully. Stirring gently. Be careful not to add too much salt solution. Overdoing it can actually loosen the soap again. Let's compare the two. Here is the watery one, still very runny. And here is the thickened one, much better consistency with perfect sliming. Now for the second method, we are going to be using Nitrosol. I gradually add about 60 milliliters of water into 40 grams of Nitrosol. I add a water a little bit at a time and stir until it becomes a smooth paste. Then I slowly add about 600 milliliters of the watery soap into the Nitrosol paste, stirring continuously. I let it sit for 10 minutes to fully gel. After gelling, I pour it into the rest of the soap and stir very well for about 5 minutes. Depending on how much soap you are making, you can adjust. If it is not thick enough, simply dissolve a little more Nitrosol and repeat the process. Let's test the consistency of both. Here is the one taken with short, sliming and thick. And here is the one taken with Nitrosol, beautifully smooth and creamy. And that is it. Two easy ways to fix watery soap and get the perfect thickness you want. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more DIY tips. See you in the next video.